Hey guys, it's Decolation. Brian.
What's going on, guys?
Today we're working on the fuel system. So got a little preview, a little nice little fuel swirl pot surge tank type deal with a pump already in it. So yeah, today we're gonna get this mounted and run fuel line, hopefully from the tank through the swirl pot all the way to the fuel rail. That will make it very, very tempting to want to try and start this car, but we'll see.
You didn't buy spark plugs.
I did buy spark plugs.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. Ugh. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, so now that we've got where we're doing kind of this area right here for the swirl pot, we're kind of figuring out where we're gonna do the mounting holes for this plate, so we can mount this plate to this area right here. And the reason why I'm going with mounting is because the bolts that mount this to this plate is behind it, so I want this to be removable, because as I'm building this, I'm constantly thinking about how do I service it in a situation as well. So we're creating this to be not only really rigidly mounted to the frame, but also to make it serviceable. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna keep going and get these mounting holes drilled out. And then hopefully next time we talk, we're gonna be plumbing fuel lines all the way to this monster right there. So now we have the riv nuts nice and placed where they need to be for right here and right there, so we can mount that plate. And here goes the great news. I didn't go get bolts for this, even though I knew I was going to be doing this today. I still didn't get bolts, and it's already 10:40, so that's not going to happen right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to mock up the rest of the fuel system, but I'm just going to clamp it on for right now. So don't say anything in the comments about why are you mocking up like that. Your boy forgot bolts. So we're gonna clamp it on, and then we're gonna route the fuel system. This should be pretty straightforward and easy from this point on. All we're doing is lining up hose and mounting it. Cool, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is where we're at right now. So we've managed to get some good progress, but some stopping points as well. So we needed a 90-degree fitting for right here to come straight out of here, so this is nice and smooth instead of kinking the line. We got, so coming from the tank, first filter, fuel pump feeding into, this fuel pump feeds into this port right here, which feeds into my swirl pot and fuel pump system in this. And then we'll also have the return back to the tank ran. And one of the things it says, it's kind of hard to see, but it's at a slight tilt. So it says use the highest point, and that's the highest point to be the return back to the tank. This is going to be the supply. This is going to supply to the fuel rails. And then this is going to be the return from the fuel pressure regulator. Going up front, we got my fuel pressure regulator mounted. Kind of what we're going to do. Come in, what do you say, Brian? Come into this fuel rail?
Yes.
You're going to come into this fuel rail. It's going to follow through under here into this. Come into the fuel pressure regulator, and this is on this, and then under, and this is going to return back to the fuel swirl pot. All right, so that's kind of where we're at right now. Keep watching. We're going to figure out like how we're going to run things, and hopefully not too much more of what we got to do. Hey guys, so right now we're kind of finishing up, so we're done for today. Brian, my man, come into the light. Come.
Now I'm in the light.
All right, now we can see you. So kind of a recap of what we did. The last clip I showed you kind of what we got going right here. We kind of ran a line loosely. I realized that I need a lot more fittings, so to make it look clean in the way I want it, what we're going to run is this. This is the supply line from the swirl tank. It's gonna run to right here to this fuel rail, and then we're gonna have another run through the crossover into this one and then out back. But we got the fuel pressure regulator mounted. We got a pretty good progress today. I think the mounting the swirl pot and making the swirl pot setup took a lot of time. You think so, Brian?
It did, but had to be done.
Yeah.
It's definitely not something you want to just bolt to
random stuff. But if you can see how thick this steel is, and we're going to use like rubber isolating grommets as well. So this is rigidly mounted, but also not going to vibrate the shit out of the car or the passenger. Girlfriend will probably be happy about that. But all right, I definitely appreciate you guys watching my videos. I got a few comments. One of my buddies let me know, and one of you guys, subscribers that I haven't personally met yet, pointed out that you guys would like a little bit more in-depth detail of what we're doing and how we're doing it. So I'm changing up the format of the videos a little bit. We're still trying to truck along, and because we got a pretty strict deadline. But Brian, we're gonna be talking about the camera. You're gonna have to start.
I know. At some point, I'll have to start talking to the camera.
You're gonna have to start talking. But yeah, so we're gonna get a little bit more in depth. I think the video is gonna end up being a little bit longer. So if you guys can still stick with me and bear with these videos, I really appreciate it. But thank you again, guys. Again, comment down below. Tell me what you're looking for. I like supporting, and kind of the reasons why I'm building this is and showing this much detail on the build is because there's no one else on YouTube that has a detailed build of the truck. There's a few people that have the hot rod, there's a ton of people that have the Cobra. There's no one. There's only one person that has a pretty detailed build, and it's one video time lapse for the whole thing. So I really wanted to make sure I kind of see the challenges and show you guys kind of what I'm doing as well and show you my build. But thank you again. Have a good one. Peace.